Well, sitting back, just talking to my webcam here with you fine folks is quite nice. I do this every morning, sometimes afternoon, maybe even in the evening. The nice thing about having a business like Save Club is if you make uploading content, and it might be a video like this, or it could be just a picture or videos already made, because yes, we have a ton of videos for you guys that you can use, and they're effective. They talk about products, service, particular categories that you might save in. You just pick. I recommend go through all of our training, go through all of our pictures and videos, and get good at one thing first, like let's say uploading content on Facebook, or maybe it's TikTok, Instagram. Then start doing another campaign on social media. So since I like YouTube and Facebook, those are the two things I like to use. But I don't really TikTok or Instagram much. But with our new training, all you do is just hit these little buttons. Boom, look like arrows. They're YouTube videos. Watch. It shows you exactly what to do to post content on, let's say, TikTok. Even though you don't TikTok, maybe your kids do, maybe your wife does. Maybe, I don't know, you can pay someone to do your uploading. But I think it's so easy that you will get good at TikTok. Not because you're a young kid and trying to do selfie videos or makeup videos or maybe fart videos or, TikTok is very addicting. But let's say it's not for you, because it's not for me. Either is Instagram. But to upload content on it is easy. And I look at those social media platforms as business. It's not licking a stamp and mailing something. It's not knocking on doors. Avon's calling. This is just amazing. It's too good to be true. You do not have to like or love social media at all. But do you love your cell phone? You probably already have one. And if you're watching my video, you're probably already YouTubing or doing something online. But why not get paid? Post with a purpose. If you're posting, let's say, food, guess what? We have videos for foodies. People that just love to go out to eat and take pictures of that burrito or that steak or, I don't know, that vegan organic thing you're eating. I take pictures of like ding dongs. I don't give a crap. I'll take a picture of something that's delicious if I like it, even if it's not healthy for you. Okay? But if you want to save money on ding dongs, why not go through Save Club? You want to get half off on Twinkies? I don't know. Go in Save Club and see if Walmart's in there. A little birdie told me it is. You need tires, discount tires in there. Do you need a new eyeball? Who knows? You might need a new pelvis so you can dance like Elvis. Will there be medical discounts in Save Club? I'm told by watching our live Zooms that we do every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that yes. My favorite thing that I can't wait is gasoline and diesel. Diesel fuel. I have a lot of trucks and cars that run on that juice. And if I can save money, even $5 here, $5 there, even if I can save 50 to $100 a month, that is crazy. Because with that extra $100, I can go buy Hot Wheels. You want to see what I bought at Walmart the other day? Well, how about last night? Check this out. I am addicted to trinkets. Look at that. You can go to Walmart. Why not save? These are only $1 or so, but why not get a Chevy Chevette and a Hemi Cuda with a Hemi Challenger or one of these? If you're my age. They used to have these little red express trucks. Look, there's a custom white one I just found. I love Hot Wheels. And if you're looking back in my head, I think you might see about 300 hanging on my wall. And I'm a big fan of Jaws. Jaws, the movie, just turned 50 years old. And guess who just bought all the pop dolls? This is Quint. He was the grouchy guy that got, well, I don't want to be a spoiler alert, but let's just say Jaws snacked on his ass. But this is the rare one. Look at this. Look, he's holding Jaws. I love Funko Pop. And if you can save, why not? Because look, I have the big shark. I've got Richard Dreyfuss. And then, of course, Quint. And then I also got Brody. Do you remember? He has a cigarette in his mouth and he sees the big shark and he goes, I think we're going to need a bigger boat. I even have the Hot Wheel of the Chevy Blazer. The old school Blazer, the square body one. Remember? Roy Scheider, he's just driving it around with a cigarette in his mouth. Nice tan. This is when cigarette smoking was just as common as breathing. But I'm a big fan of Jaws. I'm a big fan of shopping. I'm a big fan of Walmart. And why not save money? Go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, go to, I don't know, KFC. There's also Popeyes. Do you like pizza? There's Papa John's, Papa Murphy's. There's Domino's. Pretty righteously cool. I love talk radio and I love music and I love Sirius XM. And guess what? You can get a deal on Sirius XM. All you got to do is just look in to join in the Save Club as a member. That's it. But if you want to earn money, don't be crazy. Everyone thinks I'm going to join to save money, but guess what? For only $60, you can be an affiliate and build a man cave. Go get a little mini fridge from Walmart. Go get some of your collectibles, or just have a plain wall. Or maybe you're sitting in back of your steering wheel in your car because you don't like to do videos like this where people can hear you. Well, that's okay. We have a ton of video already for you and pictures. The training is insane. You want to see it real quick? Let me just show you how much training we have when you pay that $60. Holy crapola, folks. All right. Now, joinsaveclub.org. That's the official link. It's going to take you to this page right here. You can watch this little YouTube video. This is our founder, Charles. Go ahead and listen to him talk for a couple minutes. But fill this section out. Hit that orange button. It doesn't mean you've joined yet, but you're going to get more information about Save Club. And if you want to join, just open up the Save Club email and join from there. Okay, now, when you log in to saveclub.com, you're going to go down to this section that says training. And right here, this is the brand new training tab. Watch that little video. It's just a welcome video. You only watch it once. It's like a minute. The training portal. This is money in the bank. Tips on watching these training videos. Watch this. And look at how much training. These are all video training. And you just pick your poison. Please watch every single one of them. How to find your capture page. Okay, what's a capture page? Right here. You got to send people somewhere so they can fill out their information and hit the orange button. Okay? Look at that. How to copy and paste already written material. So let's say you want to send somebody something, like an email or I don't know, maybe a letter. Maybe you want to handwrite someone. Okay? Pre-made videos and graphics. This is exciting because when you go here, to this marketing material tab, there's thousands of kick-ass videos and pictures. Some are animated. They're like banners. You can put them on TikTok or Facebook, upload them wherever you'd like. All right? But the video, they are awesome. And for $60, all of this, look at this. We have almost 2 months of content. Now, let's just get back to right here, the compensation video. Please just send people the compensation video here. Don't try to describe it. I actually, below every single one of these videos you're watching now, I have a link. It just says compensation plan. I never talk about it because we get paid 5 ways. And if you try to explain it, you're going to confuse even yourself. Please let video do all your training and recruiting. And if you want to do a video like this, just welcome people to click something. Okay, let me just show you what I do again. That's it. Joinsaveclub.org. I'm done. There's nothing left for me to do. You're going to decide if you want to save. You got the $19.97 a month. Awesome. Join and save. Save a couple $100 a month. And if you want to be an affiliate, it's only $60, and then you can do what I'm doing. Earning. I've saved over $900 already in 2 months. I've made about $5,000 cash, and I couldn't be more pleased because now not only do I have Quint, but I can afford to buy. That's the new blue version of Jaws. That's when he gets electrocuted. So they made a dark blue 50th anniversary. I have the one where he's just like a nice gray. And look, there's what's his name? Richard Dreyfuss. And there's Quint right here. So I have to buy 3 of these dolls. They're collectibles. I still call them dolls. My friends can't believe I buy these things, but I love Jaws. I love saving money. So with some extra money, I can go ahead and buy some of these things that make me kind of happy. But let's get you paying bills too. Car insurance, dental. Let's upgrade your wardrobe. If your kids need maybe tennis lessons or want to go to maybe a camp for the summer, or just buy them some new shoes. But let's work on you saving money, but I want you to earn money too. I know you can do this. I have no doubt. That's why I've made I've made 446 videos in 45 days. 45 days. That's what? About 5 to 10 videos a day. I just turn on my webcam. I chat with you guys for like 1 to 2 hours a day. I upload them on YouTube. And right now, to make $5 grand, awesome. to save 900. Holy crapola. And I'm just getting started. Guys, as I look at my computer, it is June 26th. We're only 26 days old. We're going to have 5 to 10 million people belong to Save Club, just like Orbitz, just like, what's it called? Priceline. You guys, Groupon here in America, except this is international, and this has an affiliate section where you can earn money, and not all the celebrities and the influencers out there. You're going to get a piece of the pie for talking about how cool this club is. So, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, let me go ahead and show you my card one more time. joinsaveclub.org, and then there's my email as well. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Awesome. Thanks for your time, guys. Get a hold of me. If I can help you, I surely will, okay? All right. I hope you joined today. This is a pretty cool opportunity for you guys. Let's kick butt this summer, okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.